The third thing to do to increase the viewership of your Facebook or YouTube channel is by dropping video links. Now note, this process can be used on both Facebook and on your YouTube channel, and it goes just beyond sharing your video links. Let's take for instance, if you want to share your YouTube video link, let's say you want to share it on Facebook or on your WhatsApp group. But please, before we continue, for those of you who have 2 or more phone numbers and are only using one of the number for WhatsApp, it's wrong. Please, it's not advisable for you as a content creator to have only one number on WhatsApp. Try to have up to 2, 3 or even more numbers on WhatsApp so that you can use those numbers to join different WhatsApp groups to share your video links and contents in those groups. So now back to where we are. The issue is not that you just come, drop your link on Facebook or on WhatsApp expecting people to click on the link and view your videos. No, it goes beyond that. The truth is that people want to minimize costs. People always want to minimize their data. And most people, once they see YouTube link, they will try to just scroll up or to skip it because they will not be willing to spend or use their data on watching YouTube videos. Now, it's your responsibility as a content creator to disguise those links. I'm going to demonstrate to us how to use or how to disguise your YouTube channel link. So let's go. The first thing I will do is I will try to locate my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel here. I will now search for my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel which I created for this training. So I have it here. I can scroll on it. Then I search. Let's take for instance, I want to share this video. Please, for those of you that don't have a YouTube channel, I will be dropping a video shortly on how to create a YouTube channel. But for the meantime, let's focus on this one now to see how I will share a link and how I will do the other stuff. So to share a link on my YouTube channel, what I will do is that I will go to the top left corner of the video. You can see the 3 dots. So you click on the 3 dots, then you go to share. On clicking on your share, to open the link for you to share. So what I will do is that I will copy the link. Once I copy the link, I will now locate the media that I want to share it to. Let's take for instance, I want to share it on my WhatsApp. So I'll now go to my WhatsApp business. I click on it and then I open. And let's take for instance, let's say I want to share it on my free Facebook, YouTube and monetization training. If I'm sharing this link just the way this one is showing, let's say I paste it. If I'm sharing this link using this process, it's wrong. The reason why I say it's wrong is that when you share it using this process, when people come and click on this link, the video will play on the background of the media. It won't play on your YouTube channel, and as such, it won't count on your viewership. So it's very important that whenever you want to share a link, you can see this video is playing on the background of the media. It's not playing on my YouTube channel. So it's very important that whenever you want to share a link in any media, be it WhatsApp, be it Facebook, be it WeChat, be it TikTok, any channel at all, what you should do is that click on, when you paste on that link, it's always advisable to take off the picture you're seeing. That's, I click on the X sign here, which is the cancel, to take it off before I share my link. So in this case, when I share this link like this and when I click on it, this one now will now take me straight to the YouTube channel. I have a smartphone where my views will now count. Well, I have good news for you. So whenever you're dropping a link on any media, make sure you
and in
use the
return
same
you
process.
generate money
Just
from
try
it
and
in dollars.
drop only
Join
the
us in our
link, or
free
maybe you write the
3 days
content you want to
Facebook and
write and then
YouTube
you drop the
monetization
link
training,
under the
in which I'll be
content,
unveiling to you the
so that
secrets on
whenever
how to
people view it,
monetize
it
your
will count
Facebook
on
and
your
YouTube
viewership
page.
of that
And I'll
channel.
also show you the processes
So
for you to
let's
follow
continue.
to get more viral video.
Now, how can I disguise my YouTube video link? I can either use bit.ly or short URL to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that. So to do that, I'll locate my Chrome browser. Let me search for my Chrome browser. So when I click on my Chrome browser, I already have bit.ly here to shorten this, which is active. But let's take, for instance, I want to use the short URL shortener. I come here. Recall I've copied the YouTube link already. I pasted the other time, so I've copied it. So what I'll do now is I'll just paste it. So once I paste, I'll now click on shorten URL. So I click on it. Then I click on it. It has shortened it for me. Then I now copy it. When I copy this stuff now, I can now paste it on the media. Well, let's say for instance, I still want to paste it on the WhatsApp. I go there and I paste. Remember, you still have to take off this media. Make sure you just paste only the link. And please take note, whenever you're pasting a link, make sure the link, the color turn to blue. If the color did not turn to blue, that link won't work. It will not go. So like in this case, when you see it white like this, it's still not active. But when you send it, it will turn to blue. This link here, it's not correct. Because see, when I press on it, if I press normally, it will play on that same background.
If you're watching this video and you have a
So I'll
smartphone
always try my
and
possible
you're not
best that
making
when
money
I'm
from the
pasting it,
smartphone, well,
I
I
make
have
sure
good
I
news for
paste
you.
it so that
I'll
it
be
won't
unveiling to
show
you a process where you can still be using your
the
smartphone,
video, the
and in
link, so that
return,
it won't play on the background like this. So that when people come and click on this link, it's not showing us the YouTube name there again. So they might pay, maybe they'll probably think it's not from YouTube channel, then they'll click. When they click on it, it will take them to view. And as long as it has taken them to view, it will count under your viewership. You can see it has turned to 17 views. So that's the process on how to disguise your video. Thank you.